To generate OTP, in MacroSoft Inventory Manager, you can click on Get an OTP or Send OTP button, or press Alt-O on your screen. An OTP is a unique, temporary security code, used to verify accounts. Unlike a static password, an OTP expires after a short time or single use, making it a more secure way to authenticate users, and reduce the risk of fraud, or unauthorized access, even if someone knows your permanent password. It acts as a second layer of authentication, verifying that the person logging in has access to the account the OTP was sent to. At first glance, it will send your OTP automatically, once you register your email address. You just need to type the OTP in the OTP box, and confirm, by clicking on the Confirm button. Your OTP will be sent to your registered email address. If OTP sending failed, message is shown. When you are asking for OTP, make sure your internet connection is working well and try again. Click on Resend OTP button to resend OTP to your registered email address. If you don't see any emails in your Gmail, just refresh Gmail. To refresh your Gmail, click on the refresh icon. If your OTP is still not showing, check your spam folder. Due to it being the ultimate version, sometime OTP goes to spam. Click on the spam folder to check the OTP. If the spam folder is not showing on your screen, go to More option, and there you will find the spam folder. Once you get the OTP email, select the OTP email, and click on Not Spam button, or if you open the email, click on Report Not Spam button. Then in future OTP email will be sent to your inbox.